Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you for watching and welcome to another episode of James DIY Garage. I'm James and here is my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4 with the engine cover removed. If you remember my last three-part series videos, I had replaced the old pressure sensor on my engine, and while I was at it, since I had the intake cover off, I did a cleaning, a carbon cleanup on the intake valves. So I would like to report that after having driven the car for a few weeks, a couple weeks actually, there is a noted improvement in performance and gas mileage after having cleaned the carbon off the intake valves. So I recommend that you have that done if you don't know how to do it, and if you do know how to do it, you can use my video as a guide on how to clean the intake valves, clean the carbon off the intake valves, if you're so mechanically inclined. But the real reason for this video is during the assembly process, I found that this did not fit the new coupler, the new rubber coupler between the intake tubing and the throttle body. This would not fit, and that is because of this. If you notice how compressed it is around where those clamps goes. So it fit this one, but it won't fit the new one because the new one, of course, is new and it wouldn't fit. So I didn't want to wait for 2 weeks for another one of those to come from Scuderia. So I went to Home Depot and I ordered this one here. And I promised y'all that I would not leave that there. Well, I'm keeping my promise today because here I have two new clamps. And these are the Norman clamps. They're not the OEM, but these are just as good. And they will fit. And if you notice on the inside, there is no holes. We've got the worm ridges there, but there is no holes on the inside that will damage the hose. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be removing both of those old ones, or removing this one and this old one. And I have two new ones here that I'm going to put on there. And that's what this video is all about. So it'll be a short one. Stay tuned. Okay. I've got the new ones right here. Oops. There they are. I'll take the old ones off. This one first. There we go. And there's the old one. You know, holes. This one we don't want. That one can go. Let's take the next one, the old one, off here. This one I might hang on to. Okay, let's put this one on. Do you notice there's no holes? This will be good. Get up there. There we go. There we go. And the next new one. sure they're even. There. That looks good. Alrighty. Now we got the right ones on there. By the way, I will post the link to where I got these. I bought them on Amazon. I'll post a link to the Amazon's site in the description below. But we all know that that won't be for long. At least you'll get an idea of what I ordered. So let's grab shop towel here. And check the oil. I do this frequently. I changed oil about 300 miles ago, and I don't know if you can see this in the light. It's right there at the max. Perfect. And the oil looks good. I have not driven this yet today. The engine's cold. So there you have it. Again, I'd like to report that after the intake, the carbon cleaning and intake valves, I have noted an increase in performance, an increase in power, and an increase in gas mileage too, after having driven it for a couple of weeks. So there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, this video was just so that I could show you that I kept my promise in replacing that Home Depot clamp with a good quality Norman clamp. So thank you very much for watching. If you like videos like this, doing maintenance on Maserati Ghibli, then please consider subscribing. Please like my video and comment on what you think of this video or any of the other videos. Again, the the 3-part series video that I took for replacing the oil pressure sensor is going to be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. GoPro.